we jump into this wig install for this tutorial today, if you all want to know all of the details on this gorgeous chocolate brown unit that I'm wearing right now, definitely make sure that you check out my previous video, because that is the sister, the twin to the unit that we are about to install in this video. So in love with how this unit came out, I had to get it in a different color. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, part 2 of Miss Peak 710. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and unbox the DR2 Creamy Toffee version of the Peak 710 True Frontal Outre Perfect Hairline wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. I just love how sleek the packaging is from Outre. They never disappoint. They're always super duper consistent. Those of you that did not see my initial review of this unit featuring the creamy chocolate color, this wig comes in a variety of colors. So we are about to install the DR2 Creamy Toffee. It also comes in chocolate swirl, which is the color that I have on right now, dark violet, ginger brown, jade of blue, a cream soda, deep burgundy, and it also comes in your regular 1B, 1, 2, and 4 colors as well. So here is a close-up of the stock card of this unit. And again, this is the Peak 710 unit from Outre's Perfect Hairline Collection featuring the True Frontal series. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal unit. And let's go ahead and get into the construction of this unit. So again, we have the 13 by 6 lace from ear to ear. This unit also has a comb in the nape section, and it does have 2 combs that are right by the adjustable straps. So they're not by the temples, but they're a little bit lower. And this wig also has an adjustable band in it as well. Now this adjustable band is not removable. You would have to actually cut it out to take it out, and then of course you would need to sew it back in order to put it back in, but it is adjustable and nice and stretchy. With my wigs, I always like to take the adjustable straps at the bottom and put them as close as possible to the nape. That is going to help get it nice and tight. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the wig to my liking, take this one off, and then we're going to get into installing this color. But let me go ahead and show you guys the color. This is the DR2 Creamy Toffee, and you guys, this color is so beautiful. Like, I was just trying to look for a variety of different fall colors for this fall 2025 season. So whether you want that nice chocolate brown or like the changing of the leaves, like this is what these wigs reminded me of, the changing of the leaves, the different fall colors. So I'm just super duper excited to see how this color looks. But you have a variety of highlights and lowlights of blonde and brown in this unit. And again, this wig is 22 inches, so very long, very full, nice and bouncy. So let's go ahead and get into this. And I do also like that the roots on this one is more of a chocolate brown, so close to this as well. And the lace, you guys, look at that lace. They have pre-plucked the hairline and also gave us some baby hairs, and the knots are super duper tiny on this lace as well. So now I'm ready to go ahead and install this wig.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Alright y'all, here are the final results of the wig install on the Outre Perfect Hairline True Frontal Wig featuring Miss Peak 710 in the color DR2 Creamy Toffee. And you guys, I don't know, I'm a little torn between the two because I really want to be with you. If you know, you know. So I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments, are you guys feeling the creamy toffee versus the chocolate swirl? So let me know which color you guys are liking the best. But both of these colors are beautiful for this fall 2025 season. And same deal, I do have all of the hair to the front. This wig is super duper full and beautiful, so if you love big voluminous curly hair, this unit is for you. And if you just want to play in color and try some new looks out, I definitely would suggest this wig. It is very beginner friendly and easy to install. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush out through the wig. So same thing like I was mentioning before, I give this wig a 9 out of 10, and reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 is because it does tangle in the nape section and at the ends. But of course, I mean, it is a 22-inch synthetic wig, so of course there is going to be some tangling, and the shedding is minimal, so you will get a couple strands here and there. So I am going to go ahead and just brush through the ends of the unit so you guys can kind of see what is given. So as long as you have a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb, and for this particular wig, I would say a paddle brush would be your best friend to smoothing out the wig and getting out any tangles. But once you brush through it a few times, I mean, the hair is super duper soft and easy to run your fingers through. So this is one side fully brushed out, and then on the other side my fingers do get a little stuck towards the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush out the rest of the unit. But overall, I really do love both of these units. I think they are perfect if you're looking for some beautiful fall colors for this season. So of course, you guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts of this unit. Would you wear this unit yourself? How would you style her? And of course, do not forget to subscribe for more beauty tutorials like this one. And remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.